Today is June 28th, 2022, around 10 a.m. in the morning. This is the best resort and a three-star hotel in Pennsylvania. The name of the resort is Chateau. We came here, and how amazing this beautiful chateau right in the middle of mountain, a little bit of lake full of swan, small Chinese ducks, and pretty much 100% mother nature. It's wonderful, isn't it? And you could even hear the sound of wind blowing. And look at the mountain at night time. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful.
Hello.
And my daughter is saying hello to all of you.
Hello, everybody. Welcome.
All right. So here we go. One more time. This is the beautiful resort and the beautiful small lake and the mountain view right here.